Hi everyone, welcome back to another hair video. So today what we are going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys on how to do a root retouch to cover up grays and also do a balayage. As you guys can see, she's got some very thick grays right here in this little patch. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things off, before I start the balayage, I'm going to go ahead and cover up her grays first. To cover up her grays, I'm going to be going in with her natural base color, and I'm going to be using a Matrix 4N in the socolor. I'm also using a 20 volume. Now remember, whenever you are covering up grays, it's always super important just to cover up wherever the grays stop. That way you don't have a line of demarcation and you're not overlapping color. Okay, so now we are going to start balayaging her hair. So all I'm going to be doing is taking some sections in the back, and I'm going to start off here first. As you guys could see, that dark on top of her roots is going to sit there. Now I'm just going to back comb, kind of get a little bit of a cushion, and I'm using these foils. I know recently in some of my last videos you guys seen me using these and you guys keep on asking. So I actually got these at Costco, and they're just the single sheets of foil. For bleach, I'm also using my Schwartzkopf Blonde, and I am using only a 20 volume developer. Now, she does previously have colored hair, and it was not professional. It was actually box dyed. So just to be on the safe side, I'm using a 20. Now, we don't want to go like platinum blonde, and I know with my Schwartzkopf Blonde, it is a very strong bleach, especially if you guys have ever used it. You guys know on how strong it is. So we're only going to be using a 20 volume. Now with this technique, I'm just going to do this all the way up and even on the sides as well. You will see some pieces I go in and I will do slices, and other times I will go in and do weave. Now I feel like I always do this with every client. Sometimes that weave in that slice will give me thicker pieces if I slice it, and the weave will look a little bit more natural, like a blended. So I'm just going to do this to the whole entire head. Okay guys, so after I finished foiling her, all the pieces that I left out, as you guys could see, especially on those ends, she's a really warm color and she has like a little bit of red in there. So what I'm going to be going in with is my Matrix Color Sync in a 4A. Now the 4A is ash, and that 4A is going to cancel out that red color that she has in there. Remember, green cancels out red. And I'm also going in with just a 10 volume developer. I'm just depositing it in. Alright, so now she is all washed out. We took out the foils and she lifted to about a level 7, 8 in some spots. Now up here, you guys could see that she lifted a little bit warm. So all I'm going to be doing is going back in with that Matrix Color Sync with that 4A, 4 Ash. And I'm just going to be applying this and doing a root mount. Okay, so for toner, I'm going to be using Redken Shade ZQ in 7NA and 7T. Now, the 7NA carries a violet blue base, and I'm also going to be using my Redken Shade ZQ processing solution. Now, this is just a deposit. I'm also going to be leaving this in for 7 minutes. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I really like this balayage. Now she's a little bit on the warm side, but yet kind of cool. She doesn't have that much orange. And also too, I used my Fanola No Orange shampoo on her. And as you guys can see, she still has that dimension and she's darker up on top. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time.